In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to curve text in Canva. So let's get started. So first, let's press the T button in our keyboard to set up the text right here. So put in the text that you'd want. So let's say curve sample right there. So I can make this bigger. You can change the font if you'd want to. Right there. And maybe this one. So it's a bit thicker. And now I would want to curve it. So what I want to do is select the text right here, go into effects. And then you would see the shape right here. So you could go for the curve option. Now you want to click on that. And then as you can see, it's now curved. And then you'd be able to see how curved it is right here when you drag it. And then in here, you could go into the direction of the curve and how much curve it is. So this is how you can manipulate the curveness right there. And then once you're satisfied is that you could just leave it be right there. And then actually you could make a circle out of this right here. So I'm just going to do and duplicate that. And then I'm going to go and rotate it just like that. So this is also one of the great ways on how you'd be able to do this. But yeah, it's not really that sync. So maybe we could shorten the text and it will be a much better way. So you could also go for a curve like that and then just connect the ends right here. Just like that. So yeah, you get the gist. This is how you'd be able to do that. And then I'm just going to rotate it a bit more. And then we would have something like that. So it's not really a circle, it's more of an oblong. But yeah, this is how you'd be able to do it, on how you can curve your text right here in Canva. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.